What's up? What's up? Chilling, bro.
Good, good. It's my buddy. Hey.
Hey, how you doing, Marvin?
Yeah, Steve.
Steve.
Yeah,
So
childhood. I haven't seen him in 30 something years.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And then last month he came, and then this month he came again. So. Yeah.
Nice. Look at the bikes, man.
Yeah. How's it going?
Good, man. It's NightRiderNYC here.
Yeah.
We got Brian here.
Am I live?
Yeah, you're not live, but you know.
Good. Edit this stuff.
Steve from Montreal.
Montreal, Canada. What are we doing today?
Let's ride somewhere and get some food.
Let's look at the bikes real quick. Let's look at the rides. Here we got the Indian Scout 60 with a few mods. The high handlebars. Look at that. And here we got a Kawasaki. Which one is this one? Vulcan. Look at that, baby. Very nice. Let's see what's for dinner. Pizza's out the question because they already had pizza, but we're gonna look at a burger spot. So let's see what happens. Amity Hall it is. Amity Hall it is. Yeah, so we are going to, I think, 109th in Amsterdam. So yeah, we're gonna have some fun today. So today we are on the Fat Boy Low, 2016 Fat Boy Low. I really like this torquey beast. It really is a torque monster. And it's nice, it's a good weight, it's not too bad. So I'm at work, just leaving now. Today I'm working at Columbia University. And yeah, so meet up my buddy, Brian, and his buddy, who came from Canada. And we're gonna go eat. I like riding with these guys, they're real chill. Brian's awesome. I met him years ago, back 2022, I believe. And man, we've been BFF since. Love the guy. Real cool energy. Very hip, smart, you know, and loves riding. So some of my content, you're gonna see him in it, and you're gonna see how chill the vibe he has. And right now we're hungry and we're starving, so we're gonna go eat. Kind of want a pizza, but you know what? Burgers are probably a better choice. Get some protein in our system. Look at that bike, Suzuki. Looks like a Gixxer 1000. We're in Amsterdam and 110th Street right now, right by Columbia. These are all probably college students. They're getting their drink on right now. Semester's just starting, which means it's gonna get busy for me because I got a lot of work from Columbia. And yeah, but it's a nice chill vibe. Just being in the city and riding like this at nighttime. So we're here. Hopefully it's not packed. And we can get our burger on. So we're trying to figure out what we're gonna do here.
They got great burgers.
I mean, it looks a little packed here, all these college kids here, so I might have to go to a different spot. Lions Den Tavern. I don't know. What do you think? I don't know. It's either wings or burgers. Can't make up my mind.
The wings look good too, right?
Wings look good, right? So, Brian, so are you part of a motorcycle gang?
No. Not a gang.
So what the hell are you?
I just ride motorcycles. Love forever 2 wheels.
What's the farthest you've gone?
1,400 miles
Where'd you go?
in 2 days.
1,400 miles in 2 days.
What was your max?
Well, my max is Milwaukee, about 1,000 miles. Yeah,
How many days?
about 1 day.
1 day?
Yeah.
That's fine.
How about you, sir? What? The farthest you've gotten?
Right here, New York, Montreal, New York.
How many miles? How many miles is that?
Miles, I'll say 350 maybe.
Okay.
Yeah. But
Well, what do you have right now? What kind of motorcycle do you have?
That's a Kawasaki Vulcan 650. It's a 2022.
How about you, Brian? What kind of motorcycle do you have?
Indian Scout 60.
What do you like? What do you like about it?
It's a very reliable bike. Never breaks down.
Hey, that never breaks down. Why don't you pick like a Harley or something?
The only Harley I like is an FXR. So maybe if I find a good condition and I have time, I'll build it up. Yeah.
Hey, that FXR. He's an FXR guy. So we're having burgers, we're having wings, we're having a good time, and see you soon.